Ayan, ito na ang ating naluto guys. Ayan, very delicious. Diyan lang kayo. Let's eat. Hello guys. Magluluto po tayo ng for lunch. Ayan. Kasi sakto darating yung mga anak ko. Galing sila ng gym. Ayan, kakainin na sila kaagad. Ayan. Kasi naghahanap na sila pag dumating na sila eh. Ayan, ito na po yung naluto natin. Ayan. Lagay natin dito. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ito na po yung first batch na naluto natin. Ayaw nila yung masyadong sunod. Ayan. Kaya sinalang na natin yun. Sinalang na natin yung pangalawang batch guys. Ito siya. Pangalawang batch. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ito yung pangalawang batch. Ito yung first batch. Ayan. Ito yung pangalawa. Okay. Takpan natin. Para hindi sumarisip guys. Okay guys. Baliktarin na natin ang second batch. Second batch ito. Hindi kaya ito ayaw ng mga anak ko ng parang nangingitim. Yan. Guys, baliktad na natin. Kaya takpan natin kasi tumatalsik guys. Ayan. Okay na guys. Tingnan na natin. Ayan, okay na siya. Kasi ayaw ng mga anak ko ng sunog. Ayan, okay na siya guys. Ayan, lagay na natin dito. Ayan. Meron pang third batch guys. Yan, diba? Ang ganda ng pagkaluto. Okay. Okay. Muntik nang nahulog din isa guys. Ayan. Ayan, diba? Okay. Yan. Luto natin yung pang third batch. Hello guys. Ito na, naluto na ang ating marinate kahapon na pork. Ayan. Ayan, luto na siya guys. Ito yung ginamit natin. Ito organic onion chopped. Tapos yung granulated garlic. Ito yata yung parang butil-butil ng garlic. Black pepper. And soy sauce. Aloha soy sauce. Ayan. Tapos minix natin together. And then minarinate natin ng magdamag. Ayan. Ayan guys. Yummy. Kaya ito naluto na siya. Yan, gutom na rin si Swerte, nakatingin na sa akin. Kaya ito na ang ating lunch for today. Hindi namin naluto kahapon, Thanksgiving. Kasi umalis yung anak ko. Umalis sila nung nakatikim na sila ng ano. Niluluto namin na iba. Ayan. Black pepper. Ayan guys. Ayan. Granulated garlic and organic onion. Ayan. Organic onion chop. Ayan. Yummy. O, diba? Ang ganda ng pagkaluto guys. O. Ayan. Kaya, kain na tayo. Let's eat guys. Delicious. Yan. Yan lang po ang ginamit ko guys. Ayan. Okay. Masarap. Na-marinate siya magdamag. Kaya exactly lunch time namin dito ngayon. Yan. Are you hungry now, Swerte? Swerte, look at me guys. Gutom na rin yata. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Yan. Hello guys, kain na tayo. Ito na po yung ano, minarinate ko kahapon na pork. Ayan, ulam natin. Sausawan natin ketchup. Then lagyan natin ng kunting tabasco.
The mayor replied,
yan, kunti lang para hindi masyadong
policemen in Atlanta just as soon as we get colored deacons in the white First Baptist Church. King would continue to support Huntsville. He also struck a conciliatory tone in 1941 when he presided over a meeting of the Joint Committee of White and Colored Ministerial Councils, as the Atlanta Constitution put it, saying in his opening remarks, "The racial condition will never be settled right until a more friendly contact is made among the ministers of both races." But others were angry, unafraid, and ready to act. Scattered sit-ins occurred around the country in the 1930s. The action inspired in part by union organizers who had seized factories to